Hey everyone. Please excuse the fact that I sound like I've been sick, which I was a few days ago, but now I'm feeling a lot better. But anyways, I have an important announcement to make. From starting from June 21st until sometime in August, I will be inactive on all my social media apps because I will be going back to summer camp this summer. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna be allowed to have my phone there again, but if I do, I probably won't be active as much. But yeah, I will be gone for most of the summer. But anyways, I still have plenty of time before to make my videos before I go to camp. So stay tuned, everyone. Bye.